Oppenheimer Holdings Inc. restated their buy rating on shares of Epizyme Inc., NASDAQ EPZM, in a research note published on Tuesday, September 19. The firm currently has a $26 price target on the biopharmaceutical company's stock. Oppenheimer Holdings also issued estimates for Epizyme's Q4 2017 earnings at 73 cents EPS, FY 2017 earnings at $2.54 EPS, Q1 2018 earnings at 74 cents EPS, Q2 2018 earnings at 78 cents EPS, Q3 2018 earnings at 77 cents EPS, Q4 2018 earnings at 11 cents EPS, FY 2018 earnings at $2.39 EPS, FY 2019 earnings at 19 cents EPS, FY 2020 earnings at $1.60 EPS, and FY 2021 earnings at $3.46 EPS. Other research analysts also recently issued reports about the company. Citigroup Inc. raised their price objective on Epizyme from $20 to $22 and gave the company a buy rating in a research note on Friday, June 16. Royal Bank of Canada set a $20 price objective on Epizyme and gave the company a buy rating in a research note on Monday, June 12. Cowen and Company reissued a buy rating on shares of Epizyme in a research note on Wednesday, June 7. H.C. Wainwright reaffirmed a buy rating and issued a $25 target price on shares of Epizyme in a report on Wednesday, June 7. Finally, Cann reaffirmed a buy rating and issued a $26 target price on shares of Epizyme in a report on Wednesday, June 21. Two equities research analysts have rated the stock with a hold rating and 12 have given a buy rating to the company. The stock has an average rating of buy and a consensus price target of $23.33. Get Epizyme Incorporated alerts. Enter your email address. Submit. Shares of Epizyme, EPZM, traded down 0.30% during midday trading on Tuesday, hitting $16.45. 404,535 shares of the stock were exchanged. The firm's market cap is $961.77 million. Epizyme has a 12-month low of $8.38 and a 12-month high of $20. The firm has a 50-day moving average price of $15.50 and a 200-day moving average price of $15.25. Epizyme, NASDAQ EPZM, last issued its quarterly earnings data on Friday, August 4. The biopharmaceutical company reported 48 cents earnings per share for the quarter, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 56 cents by 8 cents. Epizyme had a negative return on equity of 63.10% and a negative net margin of 1,376.33%. The business had revenue of $10.00 million for the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $3.95 million. During the same period last year, the business earned 49 cents EPS. The firm's revenue was up 2,027.7% compared to the same quarter last year. Analysts predict that Epizyme will post $2.36 earnings per share for the current fiscal year. In other news, CFO Andrew Singer sold 3,024 shares of Epizyme stock in a transaction that occurred on Friday, June 30. The stock was sold at an average price of $15.50 for a total transaction of $46,872. Following the sale, the chief financial officer now owns 40,529 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $628,199.50. The sale was disclosed in a legal filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is available through the SEC website. Also, insider Peter Tai Ching Ho sold 15,000 shares of the business's stock in a transaction on Thursday, August 24. The shares were sold at an average price of $15.68 for a total value of $235,200. Following the completion of the sale, the insider now directly owns 22,228 shares in the company, valued at approximately $348,535.04. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Insiders have sold a total of 33,024 shares of company stock worth $483,672 in the last 3 months. 25.20% of the stock is owned by insiders. A number of hedge funds have recently made changes to their positions in the stock. Lord Abbett & Co. LLC acquired a new stake in Epizyme in the second quarter valued at $9,726,000. The manufacturer's life insurance company raised its position in Epizyme by 3.3% in the second quarter. The manufacturer's life insurance company now owns 33,137 shares of the biopharmaceutical company's stock valued at $501,000 after purchasing an additional 1,068 shares during the last quarter. State Street Corporation raised its position in Epizyme by 59.6% in the second quarter. State Street Corporation now owns 1,764,450 shares of the biopharmaceutical company's stock valued at $26,644,000 after purchasing an additional 658,727 shares during the last quarter. Palo Alto Investors LLC raised its position in Epizyme by 18.9% in the second quarter. Palo Alto Investors LLC now owns 5,698,296 shares of the biopharmaceutical company's stock valued at $86,044,000 after purchasing an additional 907,245 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Tudor Investment Corporation Eastern Time (AL) bought a new position in Epizyme in the second quarter valued at $215,000. 72.23% of the stock is currently owned by institutional investors and hedge funds. Epizyme Company Profile.